So I had to really think about an answer to one of the comments on YouTube by Co. He asked me to explain why, even though all the ducks were in a row, a few M1 sort of continuations didn't work, and it's led me to make this follow-up video as a reminder to everyone: A, we're scalping, you know, you want to be getting 5 or 6 pips out of a trade, and possibly numerous times out of a good strong reversal. Say for example on an H1 chart, you should expect it to go 30, 40, 50 pips or whatever, depending on the currency pair and depending on what's in your way: support, resistance, round numbers, pivot points, etc. So that's one point. Point two is you should always be getting in on reversals, valid reversals, because they are basically, you're entering on a pullback on a trend, the higher time frame trend, which is why I say we're trading trends within trends. So for example, you know, you've got a big swing trend here. When we get this pullback, if we had a perfect lower time frame, say 5-minute reversal to the downside here, you are actually entering back into this trend here at the best possible position. The examples Co gave me in the previous video were sort of entering here and just sort of hoping too late after the reversal, say on a 5-minute here, and entering down here when the 5-minute reversal was up here, or entering for whatever reason on a 1-minute RSI trigger down here when the true entry should have been way up here. It's important to remember also that we should always be entering when we get not just a pop and a continuation, but when we get a strong reversal. There's a good big move upwards, then we get a reversal, then we start to get the move downwards. You know, this isn't necessarily a good enough reversal here, but as it happens, it was off the 8-hourly EMA. So I recommend you always have the 8-hourly EMA on your charts as well. It's so powerful. It's the rubber band effect you can trade. It's the trade away from it that is brilliant. You want to be as close to that as possible with the crossover, strong crossover, after some strong sort of exhaustive, if you like, movements. We're always trying to get in when the 20 crosses here, and sort of if that had been across there, or alternatively here, massive strong move after that 20 cross, and that stands for every time frame. So you see it cross on the 15 minute here, you drop down and you wait for the pullback, and then you wait for the cross on the 5 or the 1 minute, the lower time frames. So and the other thing that I'd like to mention is, in the examples Co gave me, and sorry, this isn't a sort of pointing the finger at you. I really want people to ask questions, and if you request it, I can put the answers privately, and I won't refer to anything, or if I do, I'll refer to it, you know, with an anonymity, as it were. So, but you didn't say that was a problem, Co, and I hope you don't take any criticism from this. It's just a very opportune moment for me to make these observations. The reason all these levels are on my charts is because they act as breakpoints. Once they've broken through, you can trade them, break through the hourly 8, break through the 50 level there, or the 100 level there, come back, test it, continue, break through the S1, and you might get a good continuation on the lower time frame. You can target to them as well, the big round number. So they're all on my charts for a reason, guys. It's to give me lots and lots more opportunities, with providing I use the 3 candle reversal, which is why I've said to or I've tweeted that anyone can use these 3 candle reversals with their existing methods. You might be a Fibonacci trader or something like that. You might have multiple MAs on your charts and if it aligns up with a 3 candle reversal, in many respects it just adds value to whatever method or system you trade. So, you know, hopefully that helps. Any questions, again, just ask, and I will always try and answer. Just give me the best possible explanation, and possibly to help it would be to ask your questions on your charts. So just post a chart saying, yeah, this big candle here, why did it reverse, what did it do that? I looked at it on the higher time frames. Just a single question with one time frame doesn't really give me a lot to work on in terms of being able to give you a really good strong answer. So, you know, something like, yeah, we'd reverse down on the 15-minute time frame. When I dropped down to the 1-minute time frame, it all aligned up, and then it didn't work out. Or if you can, create a video for me and upload a video somewhere on a, you know, open yourself a YouTube channel, keep it private if you like, whatever, and the free I use is screen recorder is Cam Studio, but I'm sure there's loads out there. I use an old version because it hasn't got malware. The modern version of Cam Studio has got a load of rubbish in it, so I don't use that, whatever you do. So I hope you take this the right way, Co. It's not meant as any sort of criticism. Anyone who wants to post questions, please do, and please try to think of it from my point of view. I need as much information as I can in order to be able to answer you properly. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.